Hi guys, it's Ree here, and as you already know, today's video is no mirror makeup challenge. I am challenging myself with that because I always do my makeup with a lot of mirrors. I am a perfectionist, so doing a makeup challenge like that is throwing me off a little bit, but the rules are I can't use my regular mirror, I can't use any mirror in a product. For example, in my bronzer compact there's a mirror, but I can't use it, and I also can't look at myself in the camera, so I will just throw something on it so I can see. It will be hard, but I expected that because I planned this video, so okay, and I'll ask you to excuse me for my look because I won't be able to see myself. So if something is wrong, I will not see that. But yeah, I suggest we begin, okay? I didn't do my brows off camera, so I will also do that with you. The only thing is I hate to do my brows. Even when I'm looking in the mirror, it's not always good. So with no mirror, I'm not responsible for how it looks, okay? Am I ready? I'm not. It's so strange. I guess you see me just fine. So we will start. I can't see anything and it's so strange. It seems like I can see with my own eyes. Like I'm gonna do something like I'm blind, but I'm not blind. I will look at you, or I don't know where to look because I don't have any mirror. Oh my god, no. Okay, that will be maybe the most chaotic video on my channel. Like, I have done my makeup for probably 6 years now, more, 7 years now. Like, I have to know where something is located, right? I'm using a brow gel, and I don't know if I'm doing this on my brows or just on my skin, and maybe just this is already destroying everything. I think that's bad. Can't tell me otherwise. I will not believe you. What the freak am I doing? I feel like that's the brow, but I can't even tell if it really is the brow. I have never done this before. I know it's more like TikTok format, but why not bring this to YouTube, right? Maybe I will look at myself between steps just to see. Like, I can't see. Yeah, the thing is, now you know why I do everything with a mirror, especially my brows. Maybe everything else will be fine, but not the brows. I usually fill them in, and I don't know if I should do that now. Should I do this with a brow pencil or brow pen? I usually use a pen. I literally can't see anything. Am I doing this right? I already feel that that is bad. Okay, once I look at myself, I can't fix it. This brow, not that bad. I actually did a pretty good job. But what happened to this one? I will not fix it because I can't. I already told you that. That's it. That's what we have for brows. And I feel blind. Even though I see everything else, oh my god, yeah. Foundation. And I know I look ridiculous, but people, please don't laugh at me, okay? Like, do you think I'm doing a pretty good job? Or am I doing pretty terrible job? I don't know. I can't even imagine. What am I doing? I feel my face, and like, it seems like I'm doing the right thing, but like, what if I don't? Like, you can't mess up the foundation, really. It's like the easiest step you can do. I said that, but I don't even know. What am I doing? Okay, once I look at myself, I can fix it, as we already said. Okay, yeah, I did a pretty good job with the foundation, even though I can't even see foundation. The concealer, also hard to mess it up. Like, I really have to concentrate on what I'm doing. Okay, not that bad. So I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty matchstick just because it's light, so I can really mess it up. Like, I can, but I can't at the same time. I will just blend it really good. I will say that probably throughout the whole video that I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job, but I really don't know. Like, I feel my face and I probably know where I am applying all these things, but like I can see if it's there, if it's blended, if it's the same color on, for example, both cheeks. And now I can see where my hairline is, and maybe my hair will be just dirty now. You know what? I did a pretty good job. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so proud of myself. Probably the blush will be one of the most craziest steps because it is pigmented, but I can't see how much pigment I put on each cheek. So this where everything can go wrong. And I will use the Rode Pocket Blush in the shade Toasted Teddy. And actually, when I first got this, I was like, why is it so small? Like, why is it genuinely so small? This is my hand. And this is a blush. On everyone's video, it seems bigger. And then I got this and it's so small. You can't call it a pocket blush because it's so small. Like, for real, my hand and the blush. One swipe on each cheek. So even if it's too much, they will be the same. And I feel like I'm blending it pretty good, am I? I feel like I need more. I don't know, am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the wrong thing? Okay, I'm done. And wait! Not that bad. Oh my god, I'm killing that. If I didn't do my brows, the title will be makeup is no mirror, and I'm killing it, you know? Like, am I killing that because of, like, I see my brows and oh my god, no. I don't want to talk about this ever again. Like, you see these brows and forget about it, okay? Like, I am one of these people in black, so please forget about my brows. Okay, the powder. And I'm using not Huda Beauty today. I don't want to waste it. Okay, blend it. That seems so wrong. I know I do the right thing. I do the same thing every day, but like, okay, and I hope like there's no unnecessary white patches. There's no mirror in this compact, so... But anyways, I'm not even looking. Okay, now that should be fine. The bronzer, the powder bronzer. I will cover the mirror so I can't see. I'm finished, so I look at myself. And hey, not that bad. There's a little more on this side than on this side. I did a pretty good job with the powder, even though in some spots it's not that great. I didn't blend my under eyes, even though I was trying to. Okay, let's do the blush, okay? Do I really have to do some eye look? Because I don't know if I want to do that. There was no mirror there. What makeup look should I do? Maybe it's a simple one. Will I try to do it with, maybe with the pencil? There's a big mirror here. So I will close my palette like this and I will look only, like I will look at it like this. So I can't see anything. Even though there's technically a big mirror. I'm a really fair person. So when I tell you I don't look, I don't look. Did I do that? Is it okay? Oh my god, how will I? Oh my god. That will be destroyed when I get to the mascara, and you know that. Because even when I can see, when I use a mirror, even then, somehow I mess it up. Can I see? Yeah, but I can't blend this. Oh my god. Let's draw the wing. Oh. The freak. Like, it's not that bad, but it is bad. Okay, the mascara, shall we? Is it safe to use a curler when I can see? I feel like I don't actually pinch my eyelashes. You know what? That's the best I can do because I can't see and I don't want to hurt myself. Okay, and I can't see anything. Oh, yeah, some things on my lid already. Do I have to do my lower lashes? That's the best I can do. Do you love it or is it bad? I have to do that in silence, otherwise I can concentrate and feel where that goes. And I felt the I probably touched my lid like 5 times. Oh my god, no, okay. You know what? I feel like that's bad. Wait! Maybe when I do my lashes, I really shouldn't look at myself because I didn't mess it up. Yeah, I felt like I've touched my lid a lot of times, but I can't see anything on the lid. Like, that's something here, and I felt that. That's something here, but it's not that noticeable even. Wait, I'm killing that. I am. What's lips? And we're done. You can call me as a professional because I do my makeup really good without even looking. So I can feel my lips. And I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I appreciated myself a little too early. Is it bad? Is it good? What is it? I don't know. I will not look at it just now. I will use a lip balm. I went to fix my bangs a little bit. I haven't touched my makeup. What do I think about this when I finally can look at myself? Whatever I see is that everything is fine. Yeah, you can call me a professional because I can do my makeup with my eyes closed. So when I have my mirror in front of me, when I'm looking at it, I can't get my mascara and the eyeliner that good. It's always all around my lid. Yeah, the eyeliner is pretty good. Like, maybe there's a little bit something there, but you know, I had my eyes closed. So like, you can forgive me that. You can't even really see that. I haven't got the mascara on the lid. Also good. Maybe it's not that curled, but like, I couldn't see, so. The only thing that's throwing me off is my brows. Like, they are bad. I would be able to go out like this, but I would have to fix my brows. Either just wipe them off or redo them. These brows right now, whatever is happening, it's not that good. Like, you can accept it's bad, but it's the only thing that's bad. I killed it. Like, you can write down in the comments whatever challenge you like and I will kill that. Because yeah, I'm that good. Okay, yeah. For real, like, if you want to see more challenges, just hit me up what you want to see and maybe I will do that. Probably I will eat it up, but like, aren't you there for that? But yeah, that's good. That's good. You want to try that? You should. It's definitely an interesting experience. It was fun and now I know what skills I have. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you would like to see from me next. And I see you soon. Bye!